Ooh.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Oh man. That thing right there? Yes, that thing is good. What's good, loyal gang? Hey, we back in this thing with another video. Hey. Hey, Lily, so what are we doing today? Oh, we eating them cookies? Ooh. Oh, yeah. Are you excited to eat these? Oh, man, what kind we got in there? Is it some chocolate? Oh, yeah, is it strawberry? Alright, so if y'all didn't know, it is a hurricane coming to Florida. It's a category 4 now, so, you know what I'm saying, that's why Lily is out of school today. So we went ahead and picked up some Crumbl cookies. So we're going to try, this is going to be our first time trying the Crumbl cookies, so we're going to taste test them. Yeah, so we just keep an eye on it. Just hopefully it's going to be a little rain, a little wind. Right now it's raining real bad, but other than that, we just keep an eye on it. So we going to mean mug? You got to smile. You going to catch a little attitude? Huh? If you gonna catch a little attitude, then you can't try the treats then. What is the little attitude coming from? Yeah, you gotta learn how to hold on. You ready? Alright, you gotta straighten your face up. Come on. Okay, so this is both of our first time actually trying these cookies. So I'm gonna try to get this right. But alright, here's the first cookie right here. Alright, so this is the peanut butter cream. Ooh, look how big these cookies are. Like, oh man. Alright, so let me go ahead and break this down. Alright, we're gonna break this in again because it's a lot of sugar. Is it good? Is it good? Okay, she said it's good. Alright, here we go. That ain't bad.
It's not.
That's real good, ain't it? Oh man, that thing good. Yeah, that thing good, ain't it? Oh man. That cream, that texture of that cream, it's really good. It really sets the cookie up. It got me slobbing right now. Yeah, it's got me slobbing. Oh my god. Alright, so the next one we have is the classic pink sugar cookie that we have. Alright, so let me break this. Then I gotta break it again. I'm gonna give you a little bit a smaller piece.
Oh, Mommy.
Give you some cream on that right there. You're welcome. I'm gonna be honest. There's too much of the cream on top of this. Now, if it was just a plain sugar cookie, it'd be good. But this is way too strong. I'm gonna have to put this one at 5. It's gonna be my least favorite right here. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna try to get through this video. As y'all know, she loves cookies, and these are some big cookies. So I gotta kind of break them in half. So if you see a little attitude going on, just know she ain't getting the cookies fast enough. And I'm trying not to give her too much of the cookie because this is a lot of sugar. And these are some really big cookies. So the next one we got the chocolate chip. Now this is my favorite right here. I never had this actual one, but I like chocolate chip anyway. So we're going to go ahead and break this in half. That should be a good piece. You're welcome. I'll just take a small piece because we got too many cookies. It's not bad. It's not bad. But it's more doughy. It's like, it's real doughy. Yeah, it's like really thick. Like, it could have stayed in the oven a little bit longer. I think some people like it, you know how you have your cookies and you bake them? They like them almost kind of like not done, but done. That's kind of how this tastes. Like it could have sat in there just for like 5 more minutes. What you think? I think about 5 more minutes it would have been perfect. But it's like too doughy. I don't know if it's because the cookie is like really thick but it's real doughy. If I'm gonna rank that one, I'm gonna put that in the slot 2. All right, so the next one is a raspberry butter cake. As you can see on my right side, Leah is having a sugar rush right now. So I'm gonna have to give her, I think even a smaller piece than that. A little bit of that, yeah. You're welcome. How that one is? Yeah, wiggle it around. How that one tastes? It tastes good? It tastes good? Okay. Alright, so I'm going to scoop a little bit of cream on here. I don't want to eat too much because we got 2 more cookies. Mmm. Okay. Okay. Oh, man. That thing right there? Yes, that thing is good. Raspberry butter cake. I'm going to say number one. Number one. I got to say, I don't even like a lot of stuff on my cookies. But that raspberry, we're going to go to another one. We're going to go to another one. But that raspberry Danish, oh man. Oh, that takes number one. That's the best cookie I've had in this box. Oh my God. You want to try the pumpkin? Pumpkin. All right. Ooh. Oh. So we got the caramel pumpkin. Now this is a lot of caramel on here. Yeah, this right here. Oh man. Oh, we got the. Oh man, this gonna get a little messy. I can't even get how I want to get it. There you go. There you go. Oh! How it tastes? Is it somewhat? It's here now. Okay. That tastes like a pumpkin pie. That is good. And then the cream filling on top of that. There's still a lot in there. It's really soft. It's really kind of mushy. It reminds me of pumpkin pie. Literally, like it tastes like pie. Literally. But in a cookie form. That's the lemon cookie. We're going to try that one next. I'll put this in slot 2. And I'm going to bump down the chocolate chip cookie to 4. So we're finna try out the last cookie, which is the lemon glaze. And we're going to see where we're going to place this one at right here. I'm not finna eat that lemon, though. Put a little lemon juice on there. Yeah, we gotta do it right. They're gonna put a lemon on it. We gotta do it right. Okay. You're welcome. All right, let's try it out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I was going off rep gonna say this was gonna be nasty because it had lemon on top of it. But I don't know. What? You got another right here. I'm gonna have to put the lemon glaze. I might have to put that in second place. I might have to put this lemon glaze in second place. And the raspberry at number 1. Pumpkin number 3. The pink glazed sugar cookie. It's gonna be last. And the chocolate chip cookie, it's gonna be at 4. So the pumpkin your favorite? No. It wasn't your favorite? So was the cheese day? Not cheese Danish. Was the raspberry? Was that one your favorite one? Yeah. Oh, I know it was your favorite one. What about the lemon glaze? Was this your favorite one? No, you ain't like that one. I ain't really. Huh? Oh, it was really sweet. Oh, okay, that was really sweet. So you would say this one would be the number 1. Yeah, it's the number 1 because you're trying to get it. So I give you a little piece since it was the number 1. So y'all hear right here, Lily telling y'all right now, the raspberry glazed cookie is the number 1 for both of us. All right, y'all. So Lily's about to get a teeth brush, so she's gonna say bye to y'all. She's gonna take a little nap because her sister's gonna come in here and try them too. I can't have all 3 of them trying because Lily She gonna cut up. All right, y'all. So we got Maya and Bria. So they wanted to try the cookies. Sorry, when you try the cookies, you gotta tell your honest opinion, okay? So if it's nasty to you, you say it's nasty. If it's good, you say it's good, and you're gonna rank it. What's your favorite top cookie, which was number 1, and then what's the worst cookie? You're gonna put it at 5. All right? Y'all ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So the first cookie we got right now is the caramel pumpkin cookie. All right. So let me split it. Oh, you done took the cream off of it. Oh, it's about to get messy. All right, so what do you think about that one?
Yeah, I think it was kind of good.
You think it was kind of good?
I think
So it's kind of good?
nasty.
All right, so Bray, what do you think?
It's nasty.
You don't like it?
I don't like it.
You like it? Do you like it or not like it?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? What's nasty about it? Is it too mushy or is it the cream?
It tastes weird.
So the next cookie we're gonna try is actually the chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh.
Alright, so we gonna let me know what y'all think about this one, alright? So
It better not taste like a rat.
let me know if it ain't good, then let me know. If it's good, let me know. I'm gonna start with you this time, Bro. So what do you think about that cookie? The chocolate chip cookie.
Good.
It's good? Okay. We got one. So, Maya, what about that one?
It's good and sweet.
It's good and sweet? Okay. So the next one is a lemon glaze cookie now. Yeah, I know you took your nose up, but it's actually, you gotta try it though. So I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon juice on there. I'm gonna season up just a little bit. Let me, yeah, put a little rap dazzle on it right now.
There's no lemon coming out.
Yeah, you see the lemon juice right there?
Oh.
Yes, Lord. Right.
No, you got the big piece.
All right, Maya. So do you like that one? How's that one taste?
It tastes like a lemon cake.
Like a lemon cake? Oh, I didn't think of that. Oh, like a lemon pound cake. So you like it or not? It's good? All right, Bria, so you like it or not?
I don't like it.
It's nasty. Why is nasty?
It has a lemony.
Oh, you don't really like lemon taste?
Burn my mouth.
It burn your mouth. All right, y'all. So this is the pink sugar cookie. All right. All right, now this one a little tricky. Now this is a little tricky. So I ain't gonna break too big of a piece off. So how that one taste, Maya?
It's so good.
It tastes good. So you like the actual cream on there? You like the pink cream?
Tastes a little good.
Tastes a little good. It kind of got like a little weird taste at the end. Yeah, I think it's the pink filling. I think that's what it is. That's what I had when I tried it.
I have to taste it.
So you don't like it? You do like it? You don't like it? You don't like that cream on it? Yeah, I told you. I don't know what the cream. I can't think of the taste for that cream, but it's like a weird taste. It gives like an off taste at the end.
Scrunchy.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. All right, y'all. So I got them mixed up. This is actually peanut butter cream that they had tried, and then this was the caramel pumpkin. So they didn't try this one right here.
That's gonna be big and poofy.
Yeah, it's real big and poofy. So I'm gonna break a small piece off.
That wasn't good.
You gotta tell me.
If it's bad, I'm gonna spit it out.
Do what you gotta do.
Ew. It's so salty. It's like chicken. Wait.
Try it with the cream.
I never tried it. What was that thing like?
What it tastes like?
The gingerbread thing.
Oh, the gingerbread pumpkin cookie.
It tastes like that chicken. Gingerbread thing with the red and green sprinkles and icing.
Oh yeah, that's what it do taste like. No, I couldn't think of what it was. What it tastes like. Yeah, that is what it tastes like.
Yeah, it is that.
It's real good.
Yeah, I rate that a thumbs up.
That thumbs up right there for that one. Okay. Now this one right here. Y'all gonna like this one. I'm telling you, you're gonna like this one. It got a lot going on in it, but you're gonna like it.
But I don't want that white icing.
It's like birthday cake icing. Raspberry butter cake. This the one that I like right here. So I'm gonna break this off. A little piece. You gotta put the whole thing in now. Yeah, there you go.
I'm gonna try the raspberries.
Yeah, just put the whole thing in now. And give me your honest opinion.
I know. I like it.
You like it? Yeah.
It's really good.
Bro, did you like it or not? Mm-hmm.
Did. Like it.
So did you like it or not?
I did.
You did like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I told you that one right there is good. So out of all these cookies that we tried, what is y'all favorite cookie? What's the number one cookie? Well, what's your favorite cookie? What's the number one cookie for you?
Oh, I can't just pick both.
You gotta pick one.
That one.
Which one?
The brown thing. The brown
This one?
Mm.
So Bria said the caramel pumpkin one is her number one. So what's the worst one in the box?
Where's the pink one?
This one, right?
Oh, yeah, the pink one, yeah.
Same one I said. This is the
Worst one.
sugar glazed pink cookie, which was, it was bad. And I think it was only bad because of the icing. The icing is off. It's got an off taste to it. All right, Maya, what's your top cookie in this box?
That one.
The raspberry glaze.
Mommy.
Yeah, number one. This is my top pick right here. What's your worst cookie that's in this box? Y'all already know. It's the pink icing, man. I'm telling y'all. It's the pink icing. The worst one in the box, man. Oh, my God. All right, y'all. So the cookie flavors do change every week. So if you want to see us taste test more cookies, let us know in the comment section below. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, turn your post notifications on so you not miss a video from us.